Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create video on the sky editing using CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application and then I'm going to create a new project, and you can choose a video you want to edit. For example, I'm just going to select this video and then I'm going to put a video on the sky. So we need to go to the overlay and then add overlay, and you can choose a video you want to put on the sky. For example, I'm going to select this video. Okay, and then we're going to remove the background of this video guys. You can go to the remove background menu right here, and then we can select custom removal. But if you are premium user of CapCut, you can choose auto removal, but here I'm just going to choose custom removal, and I'm going to increase the brush size. Okay, and we can select the area we want to keep. I'm going to select this area. Okay, all right, and then click on the check mark. Okay, and now the background of this video has been removed, and then I'm going to place it right here on the sky. And then to blend this video with the first video, we need to go to the mask. Wait guys, I'm going to choose mask. Wait, where is the mask? Okay, right here. And then you can select the horizontal mask. Okay, and then adjust the feather like this to blend the video. Okay. All right, and now it's done. And I'm just going to make it bigger. And okay, this is the final result. Okay, that's so easy, right? And then you can click on export to save the video to your device. Now the video is being exported, and after the video has been saved to your device, you'll be able to share it to your social media. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create video on sky editing using CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.